In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube short in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to start a project that's perfectly sized for YouTube Shorts and how to quickly customize it using ready-made templates. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home page, look towards the top right area of the screen for the main button that allows you to start a new design. It's usually labeled something like Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or in this case, a YouTube short. Once that menu opens, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the kind of design you want to create. Click inside that search bar and carefully type YouTube short. Canva will suggest formats as you type, so even if you misspell it, just look for the option that clearly says YouTube short. Choosing this is important because it automatically sets the correct vertical dimensions, which helps your video display properly on YouTube's Shorts feed without black bars or awkward cropping. When you see YouTube Short appear in the list of suggested formats, click on it. Canva will open a new blank project in a vertical format, usually 1080 by 1920 pixels. This canvas is the perfect size for shorts, so you don't have to worry about resizing or guessing the right aspect ratio. Give it a moment to load and you'll be taken to the editor where you can start designing. Now that your YouTube short canvas is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options like elements, uploads, text, and so on. Find and click on the one labeled Templates. This section is incredibly useful because it gives you professionally designed layouts that are already optimized for vertical video. After you click Templates, Canva will show you a selection of designs that fit your canvas. You can scroll through and choose one that matches the style or theme of your short. Once you pick a template, click on it, and it will automatically apply to your canvas. From here, you can customize the text, colors, images, and timing to match your content. But the basic structure and size will already be set up for you, making the whole process faster and more efficient.